All right, Roger, what'd you just pick up here?
I need the plate.
66 Dodge Charger.
Okay.
I need the plate.
You'll get, yeah, no problem. Just doing a little video here. We have a little YouTube page that we put cars on.
I'll get it here off there in just a minute. Oh, you already got it?
I got screwdrivers.
Pretty straight little car. Has a little bit of bad paint job. Other than that, nice car.
Is there in here? Can I shut this?
You sure can.
I'd hate for it to come open.
Yeah. Got nice interior here. Can't really see it because it's so dark, but maybe we'll get better video in the morning.
What the hell?
About got it there, Roger?
Oh, look, I found a penny.
Good.
I'm fucking rich. I'm keeping it.
How many years have you been doing this?
A lot. What are we thinking? 50?
50 years probably.
Somewhere
Yeah.
around 50 years, yeah. Not all the time in the dark though,
Yeah.
or almost dark.
Yeah.
So we're getting there.
Nice little car. Like I
Yeah.
said, the paint job is, you know, not so much, but interior is really nice in this thing. Can't really see. Bought it from a real nice gentleman, and gonna take it to its new home.
Yeah, this is the second one we got here. What, this year?
Yeah, this is the second one. The first one was a 67, right?
Yep. 4-speed.
67 4-speed car. Yeah, this is a 383 automatic. You want me to steer it?
Yeah, so far so good.
But nice car. You know, all in all, pretty nice. You know, look at that. I think once the paint job gets on this thing, it'll be quite the car. I don't know if this is Hemi orange. It looks more like Chevy orange, but yeah, you really can't see the interior, but really nice car.
That way just a hair.
How's that?
Looks good. Now come back just a little bit. A little bit. You went too far. Back there. Take the magical ride up the hill.
Park she is.
Park it is.
All right.
Alrighty.
Let me get a good view of this thing now that it's on the wrecker. Really can't see it. It almost reminds me of the Dukes of Hazzard car. But you know, of course, that's a 68, 69. But nice little car. Nice little pickup there. It'll be a cool little automobile once it's once she's all done. Thanks for watching.